Oh no!
Hey guys, what do we have today?
We have the Amazing Wubble Bubble Ball.
The Amazing Wubble Bubble Ball. And a lot of you guys that watched our Juggle Bubbles videos commented saying you guys wanted to see this as seen on TV.
That'd be cool if you could just, so when you were gonna inflate it, you can just go inside, hop inside, and then have somebody inflate it with you in it.
Yeah, the picture looks like the kid's inside the ball, but I don't think so.
It's a ball, but it looks like a bubble. You can use it indoors and outdoors because they don't pop, which is pretty cool. And yeah, you can bounce it, you can do, like, it's very lightweight, so like, if you're a baby, you can hold it. I think what they're trying to say is that the baby can hold it.
Baby can hold it.
Amazing Wubble Bubble Ball. It looks like a bubble, moves like a bubble, but won't pop like a bubble. Kick it, whack it, throw it, and bounce it. It's squishy, super soft, and lightweight. Play indoors and outdoors in any season.
So we got this one, and it says on the bottom, it says pump not included, but highly recommended for inflation. So we got this one, and it didn't include the pump, so we had to buy this one over here. And this one actually includes the pump.
Available in 6 colors. So you can get blue, green, which we have here, orange, we have there, pink, purple, and red.
It inflates up to 3 feet. You can fully inflate it under 3 minutes with the pump.
There is a lifetime replacement guarantee if you go to wubblebubbleball.com.
Hey.
So it says kick it, whack it, wubble upside down it, throw it, and catch it. We're gonna take this to the park because these kids will probably bounce it around and break some lights and vases and stuff.
See? The bubble bubble. This is the bubble.
Yeah, this is a bubble.
Hey, yeah, it's fun to play with, right?
Yeah.
You don't even need to unbox it and it's already fun. You can catch it, you can kick it.
You can throw
If it
it.
lands on your head, you can knock yourself out. So Jill's has the pump. Evan wanted the orange one.
Because orange is my favorite color. Every year I change my favorite color. This year it's orange.
This year,
What was the last year?
I think it was turquoise last year. And before that, it was, I think it was yellow. And then before that it was red.
Let's see what they look like.
Look at this. Made in China. Boing.
Mine looks like a big booger.
Here's what the Wubble Bubble looks like. It's sort of like a splat ball that hasn't been filled up with stuff, right?
Or just like
Daddy.
one.
Oh no, look at that.
Look at this.
Here are the inflation instructions. It says Wubble Bubble balls are amazing, but they are not indestructible. So that means you can break them.
They just said it can't pop.
They lied. If you try hard enough, it will pop. Okay, but before we leave, they also come with this little envelope. And if your Wubble Bubble should pop, all you need to do is cut off the valve and ship it back to them. And then you have to include a $6.99 processing and handling fee in order to get a replacement. So it's not free. If you break it, you still have to pay this handling fee of $7. It says dues. Yes, you can use your hands, your fists, your feet. You can throw it and you can bounce it. And it also has the don'ts, the no. Do not play with your kitty or your dog. Do not throw darts at it. Do not eat it with a fork. Do not throw it in thorns. Do not throw it in a tree branch. And do not draw on it with a pencil. Or you will be looking like this guy. Evans comes with the Wubble, a nozzle adapter, which is this little guy, to open up the little hole. And his also comes with an inflation guide. This little guy right here that I guess tells you how big you can inflate it before it will blow up. Okay, so we have the two Toad twins.
I'm Princess Booger.
What?
Or guilt.
Princess Booger. So over here it says, please don't ever trap anyone underneath the Wubble Bubble. It could be dangerous. A Wubble Bubble is not a flotation device. Please don't ever try to float on it in water. Oh well, guess you can't use it in the bathtub. It says coolness. With an adult's help, you can fill a Wubble 60% with pumped air and 40% with helium. And when you do this, your Wubble will nearly become something called neutrally buoyant, and it will seem to hang in the air by itself. So we don't have any helium today, but maybe in a future video, we'll get some helium and put it in the Wubble. Please do not try to fill your Wubble ball completely with helium, or when you throw or kick it, it will not come back. And it says, also never fill it with water. If you are silly enough to do that, which we did with a splat ball, your Wubble will weigh nearly 1,000 pounds and contain over 100 gallons of water. That's just bananas. No, actually it's water. Okay, so we have our pump here and it takes 4 D-size batteries. So we got our batteries in our pump and let's bring these to the park. Woohoo! Okay, here we are out in the middle of a field. It is windy. Okay, so the orange one is not blowing up. We're having some trouble with it. It's not filling up any bigger than this. This pump just filled up the green one fine.
I scared him.
But for some reason, it is not blowing up the orange one.
Hi, Bo.
Okay, so we have a medium-sized one and a small one. We'll blow it up a little bigger later if we can.
Daddy broke it.
So we have a big hole in this one. This is the only thing left. I blew up the green one. So yeah, we were left with this little one that won't blow up any bigger than this. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna test the batteries out to see if it makes any difference. But for now, we just have our little bubble. Okay, cat.
This football?
Just squeezing it like a giant mashem. Tried to make a video of the Wubble Bubble. Didn't work out so good. We'll have to try again and do a Wubble Bubble 2.0 video. Okay guys, we are back for Wubble Bubble 2.0. We got some new Wubble Bubbles here. Actually, we got the old orange one and we got a new green one.
For me.
Yeah, because I popped the last one.
Yeah, you popped it.
I threw it a little too hard and it blew up. And we couldn't blow up the orange one because the pump was too weak. But check this out. I got this. It is a 12-volt pump. So you connect this to the car and it doesn't run on batteries. So this one should be a little bit more powerful. What do you think? Yeah? Last time we didn't blow these up as big as they could go. So today we're gonna try that. Yeah, so we got a powerful pump now. See how it goes. Okay, so we got these things blown up. It's a lot bigger than we had it the other day. doing the wubble dribble. Whoa! Oh! Come on, you think you can get me? Oh!
It's gonna pop, dude.
That's a big egg you laying there, dude. Oh no, the blob is eating Jill. Oh!
Oh no. That didn't work.
Ah, boom.
Oh.
Okay, so these things took a lot of abuse today, but I guess it couldn't take Mommy Tube and I colliding with each other. This thing looks pretty thrashed. Time to pack this thing up in our little return envelope and get a new one. So we wanted to deflate this, but we can't find the nozzle thing. So here, take it, enjoy, stick it in there. Bye.